Good morning, and let's get the top 5 stocks to watch out for today. Starting with Prestige Estate. Now, the company had signed a term sheet with Blackstone for divesting stake in its office or retail assets. Now, the company's divestment will include the identified commercial assets as well as retail assets, hotel assets, as well as mall management. So, surely that is something that we're going to keep an eye out for today, and Prestige Estates could be in focus. Moving on to Dr. Reddy's. Now, positive news for Dr. Reddy's, as Dr. Reddy's and the Russian Sovereign Wealth Fund RDIF have received an approval from the DCGI, that's the Controller General of India, to conduct an adaptive phase 2 and 3 human trial in India for the Sputnik V vaccine. So very interesting, and we're going to surely keep an eye out on Dr. Reddy's today. Now let's look at some of the stocks that will be in focus on the back of their earnings, and we had a whole host of earnings coming in during the weekend as well. So starting with HDFC Bank, a strong steady performance by HDFC Bank in Q2 of FY21. Obviously mainly driven by the advanced growth driven by the corporate segment, as well as we are seeing selective recovery in retail segment as well, where they're showing positive signs of recovery. Also, credit card is growing. Growth has been 6% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, so that is also a positive sign coming in there. Now, asset quality of the company is quite positive. We are seeing a improved asset quality. GNPA has improved by 28 basis points and has come in at 1.08%, while the net profit performance also of the company, that's the NNPA, has also come in at improved by 16 basis points and has come in at 0.17%. So that is something we are going to watch out for. Now moving on to Tata Communications, a great set of numbers in coming in for Tata Communications in Q2. Strong performance by the company. The profits have jumped by 600%, while overall the business has also, data business has seen a very robust growth. So looking at the EBITDA, that's the operational performance of the company, has been quite good. They have seen a 680 basis points improvement in the margins on a year-on-year basis, while overall on a quarter-on-quarter basis also it's a 260 basis point improvement. So very strong operational performance coming there. Strong efficiencies as well as strong profit growth is what is something that has driven data business, and in turn improved the margin expansions of the company as well. And higher margins in the traditional business and growth services were also seen. So overall a very good performance, strong margin operational performance as well by the company. Moving on to Avenue Supermart, that's D-Mart. Yes, that is the company. D-Mart has surely seen some impact of COVID-19, continued impact of COVID-19 during the quarter. Overall, the performance was, not a below the expectations of ET. Now, if you go to see, margins were below the expectations. They came in only at 6.2% versus 7% of what we were expecting. In terms of the profitability also, it came in only at 210 crore. It was below our expectations, while only the top line managed to come in line with the ET now expectations. The top line, that's the revenue, came in at 5,218 crores. So overall the performance of D-Mart hasn't been that great. We are seeing continued impact of COVID-19. And also, if you go to the store openings, the company managed to open 6 stores during the quarter, while 2 stores were closed in Maharashtra, that's in Mira Road as well as Kalyan. And obviously what actually aided the top line was obviously the sale of essentials and FMCG product, while other products are still seeing not a great performance due to the COVID-19 impact. So overall, these are the stocks that we're going to watch out for. Plus, we do have a whole host of earnings coming in today, so we're going to keep an eye out on earnings at Britannia and HDFC Life as well.